me, Samira.
And me, Milligan. And today we have a special guest, Maddie.
Hi. Her real name's Madeline.
But we call, for short, it's Maddie.
I'm okay with you guys calling me Maddie.
Okay.
That's my normal name.
Yeah, most people call her Maddie. And today we are going to be making Oobleck, but it's not completely. It's sort of Oobleck and then it's not.
A solid and a liquid at the same time, and our ingredients are cornstarch,
water, a bowl, and paper towels.
First things first, can I?
Wait, I've never made this before.
Do I pour all of it?
Yep. But if you do that, it's gonna get all over the place. Cornstarch is really messy. See? It is so messy. It's not like baking soda. Baking soda is less powdery like that,
Oh,
but it's.
oh my gosh. Wait, are you using all of that?
Can I see the bowl?
My hands are so soft now.
Can I touch him?
I don't like I like the
Can I touch
feeling,
it?
but I don't like whenever you rub your hands together and you have cornstarch on them. It does not feel good.
Your hands
So-
are already soft.
The next step, we are going to get a couple paper towels
And that's a lot.
and put them into a bowl, then dip it into this water. And then we're just gonna sprinkle it in there like that. And y'all can do it too if you want it.
I want it.
My turn.
I need to get over to the water.
But guys, don't do it too much because if you do, then it's gonna be all liquidy. No, that's good. It's already turning into it, kind of.
Can I feel?
It looks really wet, but it's not, guys. It's not wet. It's a very messy process, though.
Yeah.
But it's so worth it. So
It's worth it, guys. It's worth it.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, it might get actually really full.
Yeah, it's getting full.
It's getting full.
Now let's put it into the cornstarch thing, I guess.
That's literally.
Wait,
Literally.
Samara, do you want to pour it in?
Sure.
Just hold the top. Oops.
You guys, can you see that? It's
No.
all liquid. I mean, the solid.
Oh my gosh.
Like what? Wait, I'm
What
gonna see
is
this for a
going
second.
on with this thing?
Wait, Samara, I need this.
This is all cornstarchy.
Shoot!
No.
Shoot! 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 Give a shout out Mackie for his date prom in Florida with Olivia.
It's California.
It's California. It's California.
Oh yeah, it's coming together. Oh, it's almost done.
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's all liquidy.
Let me see.
It's done.
I'm pouring out the liquid.
You can drink that.
No, you can't.
This is edible.
Oh.
But I recommend not eating it because it will be terrible.
Because
It's
it's
just
like
cornstarch.
Can we switch spots really quickly?
Yeah.
Thank you. You can play with that, Maddie.
Okay. Hands.
Yeah, so guys, we're done here. Please like and subscribe. This challenge, it's actually sort of a challenge because it's so hard.
Also
So,
really messy.
It looks so easy for the other people that do it.
Making this, I give this a 10 out of 10.
I give this a 2 out of 2 because it was very messy.
2 out of 2?
Yeah.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 2. Monkey.
So please like and subscribe. We hope you like this video. We give this a 10 out of 10 and it is so fun.
Guys, if you have a problem,
Bye.